hours deep in the acid trip, and the feeling in my stomach gets magic. It's disastrous, but great at the same time. Can't tell a snake from the grapevine. Great, I'm comfortably numb at the waistline. Try to waste time, but the place I'm in don't feel like a place I wanna waste time in. So I'm running like I'm on the baseline. In an overtime game, my stakes like game 7. They can only lose their mind if they let it. Listen now, but don't go try it yet. Let me tell you about the side effects. Number 1, you're high as kites and jets. I wish I had a bitch to bite my neck. Never thought I'd be the type to test psychedelics, put my mind to rest. I thought the carpet turned to spider webs. Life's a trip, it's all inside my head. I tighten my grip and dip despite the feds. Drive around the town at night. I said the neighbors think I'm tripping out. Saw me dipping out my house, saw me sprinting down 4th Street's looking different now. The neighbors think I'm tripping out. Saw me dipping out my house, saw me sprinting down 4th Street's looking different now. Take a hit of those triple dose tabs of paper. Right now the thrill, then you pass out later. Damn, 8 to 10 hours of this shit anymore for sure. My brain will be a biscuit. Lucy's crazy, I'm hallucinating. 90 by myself. Where's a room that's vacant? I'm with my dudes, I'm hanging, but I'm losing patience. I try to move away, but there's no use escaping. It's all in my head like Nelly, but I'll stop when I'm dead like Belly. When I got a motherfucker not in the head like really. Don't stop at the red light silly, but I'm not in the car and there's a headlights, is it? I sat down feeling damn right wicked. Now I'm running for my damn life, damn. I'm kicking rocks up in the damn sky, hitting the ground behind me like there's no chance I'm living. But I'm a damn try, I'm lost and can't find my house, I'm out, I must have ran by 4 police without a glance my way. I took a route, I went by, it took my daddy telling me I can't die. Feeling shook but happy, not peaking but still high. And I just started to feel my body for real. I'm not sorry but still I probably should stop at the question is will I? Tripping so hard my brain lit up the dim sky. And if I try to pretend I'm fine, I'm losing my mind. And now all the visions get glued to my spine. The trip was a trap in a whole different life. I started to see in a whole different light. I'm thankful to live and be holding a mic. Swear to God I was this close to death. I blame it all on myself, I confess. Now the walls can give it a rest. I said pause, may give it a rest. Pause, may give it a rest. The neighbors think I'm tripping out. Saw me dipping out my house, saw me sprinting down 4th Street's looking different now. The neighbors think I'm tripping out. Saw me dipping out my house, saw me sprinting down 4th Street's looking different now.